Stainless pots. Stainless pots are used for stirring or boiling liquids that constantly cover ingredients to cook from all the sides.
For example, when cooking pancit canton, you can boil it with the water in the stainless pot.
Colanders is primarily used to rinse vegetable or strain food such as pasta. For example,
when drying pancit canton, you can use colander to dry it begin to eat.
Hand whisk. Hand whisk is used to either air into a mixture or thoroughly blend ingredients together. For example,
when mixing egg, you can mix it through a hand whisk with whip it using the hand whisk.
Flippers. Flippers are used to lift and flip foods items during cooking, such as fillets. For example, when cooking an egg, you can flip it using a flipper to cook the egg, and the bottom of the egg will cook too. Tongs are the tool that you use to grip something and lift it. They are usually joined near the handle with two grippers at each other. For example, you can use tongs to lift or flip some like ham and hot dog or other substances or etc. We have peeler, cutting board, and knife. First is peeler. Peelers can remove the skin from produce including eggplant, mango, and butternut squash. For example, a carrot has a skin, so you will peel it using the peeler. Cutting board and knives. A cutting board and a knife is used as a protective surfaces on which to cut or slice things such as foods and meats and fishes. For example, when cutting a carrot, you will use a knife to cut it. You should place it on a cutting board for it to be cut well. Grater is a kitchen tool which has raw surface that you use for cutting food into very small pieces. Example, graters can peel or grate a carrot. Using it, you can peel it into pieces. Refrigerator. Refrigerator is used for making a food to make the temperature low and to make it cold, and cold temperatures help food to stay fresh longer. For example, a refrigerator will make the water cold and the fish and meat will be iced because of the low temperature. Ice crusher. Ice crusher is a commercial ice crushing machine that uses strong crushing mechanism to quickly and effectively break down ice, saving time and manual effort when preparing drinks. For example, ice crusher can use to crush ice such as cold ice. To make it crush or broke, you will put the ice in the ice crusher. Blender is an electrical kitchen appliance used for mixing liquids and soft foods together or turning fruit of vegetables into liquid. Example, when putting an apple or a fruit to a blender, you have to cut the apple first before you put it to a blender. Okay?
has a range of applications including known as communications, radar, and perhaps. And the microwave oven has relies on the fact that the water molecules present in the different.
For example, bread can be cooked by an oven and meats as well as fishes. Fishes will be heated by an oven too.